Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Design System Masterclass. In the previous video, we discussed about toggle, checkbox, radio, and we have discussed some examples of toggle, checkbox, and radio, and we have created three components in both dark and light mode, and we have also created one example for each of the component. In today's video, we will be discussing about progress indicator. We'll be seeing the examples and where this progress indicator is used, and we will be creating two variants, one with label and the other without label. So coming to progress indicator in our file, progress indicator is basically used to tell user where they are. For example, uh, if the user is deactivating their account, we'll show how many steps are there here. And this is also same. It is the onboarding experience, and the user is in the first step, and there are total 6 steps. And also we can show in gamification platforms, it will show the progress indicator so that the user can earn some rewards like this. So yeah, that is it for the definition and the examples. Let's create the progress indicator in both light and dark mode in two variants, one with label and one without label. So let's take a frame and give it a height of, let's say, 10. Right? Zoom in and give like width as something around, let's say, 350 maybe, and give fill as gray 100. So there are two layers in progress indicator. One is the background layer and one is the filling layer, filling with the dark color or something like that. And the radius will be full so that it is fully rounded. So this is one layer, and the other layer will be filled with gray, which will be on the top. This will be the layer which is going to fill, right? And let's duplicate it. Let's give it to this, and also let's add label 0%. Let's give a text style of caption extra small, and let's give color as gray 900. Right? Let's add auto layout for both of these, and let's add spacing as 8 pixels, right? And let's duplicate it. This is 0%, so this will be 0, and let's say this is 20%, right? Let's make sure the width is into 20 by 100. It comes to 20%. And next is 40%, which is double of 20%. This is 20. This is 40. And next is another 20% added, which is 210. And this is 60%. And let's duplicate it. And let's add another 70 here so that this is 80%. And let's duplicate it and add another 70 here so that it is fully filled. So let's say this as 100%. So let's create a component set. Create component set. Let's name it as progress indicator, right? And let's name individual components. This is 0%. This is 20. This is 40. This is 60. this is 80, this is 100. So your naming individual components is done. Naming individual components is done. So you can easily switch between different percentages, and we need to create a boolean variable for these. Let's select all of these and go to apply variable, create show percentage, right? Create property. And when you duplicate it, you can see you can easily toggle between the percentages, show percentage, 20%, 60%, 8%. So yeah, and also let's check whether it is working in dark mode or not. Let's say dark mode. Yep, it's working. So yeah, that is it for today. Hope you got some value out of this video. Do subscribe to get content like this, and see you in the next one.